Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 5, continuation of exercise 5.3. Now problem number 5. Find the general term and sum to n terms of the sequence 1, 4 by 3, 7 by 9, 10 by 27, etc. Here is the given sequence. This can be written as 1, 4 into 1 by 3, 7 into 1 by 9, 10 into 1 by 27, etc. These two are same only. Look at the terms 1, 4, 7, 10 and all. Arithmetic progression. AP. What are they? 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Because second term by first term 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, that is equal to third term by second term 7 minus 4 also 3. Therefore it is an AP. In AP, the general term Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A that is equal to 1 and D that is equal to second term minus first term, that is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Can substitute here. A value is 1, n minus 1 as it is, D that is equal to 3, 1 plus 3 into n, 3n, 3 ones are 3. That is equal to 3n, 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. So Tn that is equal to 3n minus 2. Now next, here 1 itself we can write 1 into 1. So look at the second term here, 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and all, GP. So write that 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, etc. Because second term by first term, that is equal to third term by second term. 1 by 3 by 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3, also 1 by 3. Here A that is equal to 1, that is the first term, or that is second term divided by first term. What's the second term here? 1 by 3, first term is 1. 1 by 3 by 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. Here Tn formula A into r power n minus 1. A value is 1, r value is 1 by 3 power n minus 1. 1 into anything is same thing. So 1 by 3 power n minus 1. That is equal to 1 power anything is always 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1. So Tn. This sequence is called arithmetico-geometric sequence. This sequence is called arithmetico-geometric sequence. Okay. Therefore, Tn for the given sequence we considered as capital Tn. Therefore, Tn that is equal to both to be multiplied, APTN and GPTN. APTN is 3n minus 2. GPTN is 1 a by 3 power n minus 1. 3n minus 2 into 1 by 3 power n minus 1. That is equal to 1 into anything is same thing, 3n minus 2 divided by 3 power n minus 1, that is Tn. First subdivision is over. Now we have to find out Sn. We know that Sn formula, that is a special formula here for finding Sn in arithmetico-geometric series. Here is the formula. I have written the formula over here. Here A that is equal to 1, D that is equal to 3 and R that is equal to 1 by 3. We have to replace the values of A, D and R in this formula to find Sn. That is equal to A value is 1 minus bracket A value 1 plus n minus 1, right, as it is, d value is 3 bracket or value is 1 by 3 whole power n whole divided by 1 minus or value is 1 by 3 plus d value is 3 or value is 1 by 3 into 1 minus or power n minus 1 or that is 1 by 3 power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus or value is 1 by 3 whole square, close the bracket. That is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3 ones are 3 bracket 1 power anything is always 1 divided by 3 power n. Divided by 3 power n, you can write like this, 3 power n. Whole divided by 3 ones are 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3 plus 3 get cancelled here. So only 1 into anything is same thing, you write this expression only. So 1 minus 1 power anything is always 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 whole divided by 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 the whole square. We have to simplify further. That is equal to 3 power n is the LCM for the numerator. So 3 power n into 1 is 3 power n minus bracket 3n 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 power n whole divided by 2 by 3 plus here 3 power n minus 1 is LCM, so multiply 3 power n minus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 whole divided by 2 by 3 the whole squared is 4 by 9. So write the numerator as it is and the division becomes multiplication. 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2. So 3 power n minus 3n minus 2 divided by 3 power n that is equal to 3 power n minus 3n minus 2 divided by 3 power n into the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. When it comes to the numerator, we have to write the reciprocal 3 by 2 plus like that we have to write the numerator as it is 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 into the reciprocal of 4 by 9 is 9 by 4. That is equal to 3 power n minus 3n minus 2 by 2 into 3 power n into this 3 alone comes the denominator 3 power minus 1 plus 3 power n minus 1 divided by, write this 4 first, into 3 power n minus 1 into 9, that is 3 square. 3 square comes the denominator 3 power minus 2. 3 power 2 comes the denominator 3 power minus 2. That is equal to 3 power n minus 3n minus 2 whole divided by 2 into 3 power, here 3, here also 3. While multiplying, you have to add the powers, here n, here minus 1, n minus 1 together, plus 3 power n minus 1 divided by 4 into, here 3, here also 3. So write 3, add the powers, n minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to n minus 3. That is sum of n terms of the given sequence. So problem number 5 is completed, and I will be teaching problem number 6 in the next video. Thank you, children.